In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Tradingview Widget. By the end, you'll know exactly how to choose the right widget. Customize it so it matches your site. Copy the generated code and embed it cleanly without breaking your layout. First, start at the Tradingview Widget library. You'll see several options designed for different use cases. The advanced real-time chart is great when you want visitors to interact with a full chart and tools. The ticker tape is a slim, moving strip that's perfect for a header or footer and keeps multiple symbols in view. Market summary gives a compact snapshot of markets at a glance. Think about what your page needs: a quick lightweight glance or a deep interactive charting experience. Next, customize the widget in the configurator. Choose the symbol or symbols you want to feature and set the color theme to light or dark to match your site's branding and contrast. Adjust size carefully if your site has a narrow sidebar, set a width that fits, or enable auto size if available, so the widget adapts to its container. Consider a transparent background if your site uses a custom color, or a solid background for consistency. Many widgets also let you tweak elements like intervals, toolbars, borders, and locale. As you change settings, keep an eye on the live preview so you know exactly how it will look. A quick tip: stay consistent with your site's font sizes and colors, so the widget feels native, and avoid loading too many heavy widgets on a single page to keep performance snappy. When you are happy, click Apply and copy the generated HTML and JavaScript snippet. It usually starts with a clearly marked begin comment. Copy the entire block without altering the script source. If you plan to place multiple widgets on one page, use the full block for each, and avoid duplicating the same external script more than necessary to reduce overhead. Finally, embed it on your website. Open your site editor and locate an HTML container, a custom liquid section, or an embed block use, whichever your platform provides for raw code. Paste the snippet exactly as copied. Steer clear of rich text areas that sanitize or strip scripts, since the widget won't load there. Position the block where you want it to appear, and ensure the parent container has enough width for your chosen size. In preview, you should see the widget load. If it doesn't, check that your page allows third-party scripts and that you are viewing the page over HTTPS. Save your changes and your Tradingview widget is live and integrated with your design.